Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's episode, where we delve into the timeless wisdom of one of India's greatest spiritual leaders, Swami Vivekananda. His teachings continue to inspire and guide millions around the world. Today, we bring you a compilation of Vivekananda life lessons that people wished they knew sooner. So sit back, relax, and let us embark on this transformative journey.
Swami Vivekananda was a profound philosopher, a spiritual luminary, and a beacon of hope for humanity. His teachings have touched countless lives and continue to resonate even today. As we explore his life lessons, let us reflect on how they can positively impact our own lives.
Lesson number 1. Believe in yourself. Vivekananda emphasized the importance of self-confidence and the belief in one's own potential. He said, "Arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached." Many people wish they had realized this sooner, for it is this unwavering self-belief that propels us toward success and fulfillment. Lesson number 2. Embrace fearlessness. Swami Vivekananda encouraged us to face our fears head-on. He believed that fear limits our potential and prevents us from realizing our true selves. By embracing fearlessness, we can break free from self-imposed limitations and unlock our full potential. Lesson number 3. Service to humanity. Vivekananda taught us the importance of selfless service to others. He believed that true spirituality lies in serving humanity and uplifting the lives of those in need. Many people wish they had understood this earlier, as it brings immense joy, fulfillment, and a sense of purpose to our lives. Lesson number 4. Cultivate inner strength. Swami Vivekananda emphasized the need to develop inner strength through self-discipline and meditation. He said, "Be strong, my young friends, that is my advice to you." By cultivating inner strength, we can navigate life's challenges with grace, resilience, and equanimity. Lesson number 5. Embrace unity in diversity. Vivekananda celebrated the unity of all religions, cultures, and races. He believed in the inherent divinity of every individual and advocated for harmony amidst diversity. Understanding this lesson earlier would have helped many people transcend prejudices, embrace inclusivity, and foster a more compassionate world.
If you want to delve deeper into Vivekananda's teachings, I highly recommend the book, 25 Greatest Speeches of Vivekananda. It's a comprehensive collection of his powerful and inspiring speeches, providing further insights into his wisdom and philosophy. You can find the link to purchase the book in the video description below. These 5 lessons from Swami Vivekananda's life have the power to transform our perspectives and guide us towards a more fulfilling existence. So let us imbibe these lessons, not just in theory, but in our everyday actions and choices. As we conclude today's episode, let's take a moment to reflect on Vivekananda's profound wisdom. By believing in ourselves, embracing fearlessness, serving humanity, cultivating inner strength, and embracing unity in diversity, we can embark on a journey of personal growth and make a positive impact on the world around us.
If you enjoyed this episode and found value in Vivekananda's teachings, I invite you to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with more inspiring content like this. Don't forget to hit that like button if you resonated with Vivekananda's wisdom and found it meaningful. Remember, your support through subscriptions and likes helps us reach more people with these transformative messages.